So guys, I was excited to see nung nilabas yung Shiaka Sky kasi nakita ko inspiration niya is Herbs Troblantes. Never tried that fragrance but I know it is an expensive fragrance. So gusto ko siya matry dahil sa release niya and dito sa Westward Souk, lumabas na siya and may tester so I could actually try it. So try na natin guys. So, very fresh and it has that parang soapy type of smell. Hindi ko masyado naamoy yung green note dito. Actually, light na light lang yung green note with this one. To be honest with you, I thought it would be more herbal, more green. Pero ito parang nice and airy, citrusy, fresh, lightly soapy lang. Hindi yung parang dried sabon na makapal. This is just a more airy, soapy type of fragrance. So, sa akin, not that sophisticated pero smells good. I think I prefer it over Shiaka Snow. Pero I think performance nito is gonna be a freshy territory level of performance lang. You need to respray most likely. Pero sa akin, this one is good kung gusto mo lang ng dumb breach fragrance. And still, I believe this is something that I like more than Shiaka Snow. So, solid naman to so far. Pero I expected more. Maybe mataas lang yung expectations ko too much. I expected more. I thought it would be more of a more wow fragrance kasi nga mamahalin si Herbs Troblantes but I think it's just a good everyday wear na fragrance. So, yun. Kadlad Shiaka Sky.